Hi everyone, my name is Siti Hamidah. In this video, I would like to explain about the nature of young learners. I will talk about their characteristic, how they learn, and how teachers can deal with different types of learners. Okay, the first, let's talk about the characteristic of young learners. Young learners are children usually between 5 to 12 years old. They have some unique characteristics. They, they are very active and energetic. They like to move, play, and explore. They inform because of this they cannot sit still a long time. They also have a short attention span. This means they can easily get bored. So, teachers need to use interesting and fun activities. In addition, young learners are very curious. They like to ask questions and try new things. They also learn better through imitation and repetition. For example, when I teach vocabulary, children prefer games like using or matching pictures rather than just memorizing words. Next, I will explain how children learn. Children learn differently from adults. They, they learn best through play and interaction. That is why learning activities should be fun and meaningful. They also learn by doing. For example, they understand better when they are involved in activities like games, role play, or hand-on tasks. Another important point is that children learn from visual and context. They understand what more easily when they see pictures, objects, or real situation. They also need repetition, repeating words, song, or activities help them remember better. For example, when teaching colors, I use picture or real object and I repeat the words several times so students can remember them easily. Now, let's move to how to deal with different types of learners. In a classroom, students have different learning styles. The first, visual learners. The students learn better through pictures, videos, and visual aids. And the second, auditory learners, they prefer listening, such as songs, story, or teacher explanation. And the third, kinesthetic learners. They learn better through movement and physical activities. As a teacher, we should combine different teaching methods to support all learners. For example, when teaching animals, I can show picture for visual learners, play animal songs or song for auditory learners, and ask students to act like animals for kinesthetic learners. Based on based on my experience, students are more active and interest when learning includes game and interactive activities. For example, when I use using game in class, students become more uh, enthusiastic and uh, participate more actively. And inclu- in conclusion, young learners have unique characteristics and they learn best through fun, interactive, and meaningful activities. Therefore, teachers need to be creative and use different methods to support all types of learners. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Bye.